News first at 10.
The U.S. Senate could pass bills to protect children from the dangers of social media as soon as this week. Our Capitol correspondent Jamie DeLine tells us about one of the bills and how it's similar to legislation New York recently signed into law.
The U.S. Senate plans on bringing the Kids Online Safety Act to the floor.
I met with many parents from New York and from around the country whose kids took their own lives because of what happened to them on social media. Some of these kids were bullied, others were targeted by predators or had their personal private information stolen.
One of those parents is Mary Rohde. She's been advocating for more legislation after losing her son Riley.
I met with him in May when he promised to get this done, so I'm really glad that it's happening.
According to Senator Schumer's office, KOSA will give kids and teens the option to opt out of algorithmic feeds, limit the promotion of harmful behavior such as suicide, allow parents to control how their child's information is used, and create a channel to report harmful behavior. As for when action could be taken on the bill, Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer provided an update on Tuesday.
Members should prepare for a cloture vote on the message as soon as Thursday.
I hope that there's no more roadblocks to getting this done because it's been a long time coming.
It's unclear when the bill will see movement in the House of Representatives. New York State recently passed a similar bill called the Safer Kids Act. Governor Kathy Hochul mentioned it on Wednesday during a roundtable discussion about mental health and smartphone usage in schools.
I'm very proud of our efforts to rein in the addictive algorithms.
The state law will require platforms to restrict addictive feeds for children younger than 18 unless parental consent is given. It will also turn off social media alerts for kids between the hours of midnight and 6 a.m. The Office of the Attorney General is working on the regulatory process of the law. Reporting in Albany, I'm Jamie DeLine.